In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off the mouse keys on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then over here on the right, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select mouse. And then going down again, there should be something that says mouse keys. You can just click inside this oval one time and toggle that off to disable mouse keys. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.